What is a dragon flag?
The dragon flag is an advanced bodyweight exercise popularized by Bruce Lee. It requires intense core strength and full body control. The move involves holding your body straight and rigid, supported only by your upper back and shoulders on a bench, while raising and lowering your legs in one piece. Achieving a strict dragon flag takes time, progression, and careful attention to form.
Foundation. Building core strength.
A solid core is the foundation for mastering the dragon flag. Start by practicing basic exercises like planks, hollow body holds, and leg raises. Focus on bracing your entire core, including the lower back and glutes. Consistent practice with these basics helps protect your spine and creates the stability needed for more advanced movements.
Progression 1. Lying leg raises.
Begin with lying leg raises on a flat surface. Engage your core as you lift your legs without swinging. Aim for slow, controlled reps, keeping your lower back pressed into the floor. As you get stronger, perform hanging leg raises on a pull-up bar to further challenge your core and grip strength.
Progression 2. Dragon flag negatives.
Once you're comfortable with leg raises, try dragon flag negatives. Start in the top position, body straight, supported by your shoulders. Then lower yourself as slowly as possible, keeping tension in your core. Use your hands to grip the bench for balance. This eccentric portion builds the strength required for the full dragon flag.
Final progression. Full dragon flag.
When you can control dragon flag negatives, attempt the full movement. Raise and lower your body in a straight line without breaking form. Avoid letting your hips sag or arching your back. Perform low reps with strict technique, focusing on quality over quantity. With patience and diligent practice, you'll master the strict dragon flag.